In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set print area in Google Sheets. If you've ever hunted for a set print area button and come up empty, you're not alone. In Google Sheets, that option lives inside the print settings, and once you know where to look, you can print exactly the cells you want. No extra clutter. Start by highlighting the exact cells you want to include in your printout. Click and drag to select the range, and make sure to include any headers or labels you want to appear on paper or in your PDF. Getting this selection right up front saves time later. With your cells selected, open the print settings by pressing Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on a Mac. This brings up a preview of what will print, along with a panel of options where you can fine-tune the output. Take a second to confirm that the preview reflects your sheet, but don't worry if it's still showing the whole page. We're about to change that. Here's the key move. Find the print dropdown in the settings panel and switch it from current sheet to selected cells. The preview will instantly update to show only the range you highlighted earlier. This is the Google Sheets version of Set Print Area, and it's the most important step for getting a clean, focused print out. To make the result look professional, go to Scale and choose Fit to Width. This tells Sheets to resize your selection so it fits neatly across the page without cutting off columns. If your table still feels a bit cramped, adjust the margins to narrow. That frees up more space on the page so your data can breathe, while still keeping everything readable. If your selection runs long and spills onto multiple pages, use Set Custom Page Breaks. Click it, and you'll see blue lines you can drag to choose exactly where one page ends and the next begins. This gives you control over natural breaks, like keeping a section together or avoiding a split right through a subtotal, so the final PDF or printout reads cleanly. Once you're happy with the preview, you're all set. Your selected cells, scaled to fit and laid out with your chosen margins and page breaks, will print or export just the way you see them here. That's how you set a print area in Google Sheets without any guesswork.